Across India, a quiet revolution is underway. On January 5, 2026, communities gather for the 31st National Pioneer Celebration of the GCV movement India United. For millions of pioneers, this isn't just a party, it's a statement of faith in Pi-coin, a digital currency and a dream of a fairer financial future. The energy is palpable. People share stories, food and ideas about a world where sending money is as easy as sending a text. The GCV movement is grassroots, teachers, farmers, students and shopkeepers united by the belief that their collective trust can give value to a people's currency. Today's celebration is proof of persistence and unity. Despite skepticism and technical hurdles, the community has grown stronger. They're not waiting for change. They're building it, treating Pi-coin as if it already has real, stable value. GCV stands for Global Consensus Value, a promise to agree on Pi's worth and use it in daily life. If enough people believe and transact at this value, it becomes real. This is a bold experiment in community power. The 31st celebration marks resilience and hope. It's a moment to reflect on progress and look ahead. For these pioneers, it's about empowerment, taking control of their economic destiny. Every transaction, every conversation, every celebration brings them closer to their vision. This is more than digital money. It's a movement for change. The journey continues, one pioneer at a time. What makes Pi-coin so special? Pi Network is designed to be the world's most accessible cryptocurrency, mined on smartphones, not power-hungry computers. Anyone with a phone can participate, making it truly the people's currency. Started by Stanford graduates, Pi aims to be fair, decentralized, and practical for everyday transactions. Early adopters, called pioneers, helped build the network and were rewarded with higher mining rates. As more join, mining slows, making Pi scarcer and, in theory, more valuable. Currently, Pi operates on an enclosed mainnet. You can't trade it on big exchanges yet. Transactions happen only within the Pi ecosystem, focusing on real-world utility before speculation. The GCV movement is turning this vision into reality, building a true economy around Pi. It's about creating value through community, not just technology. At the heart of Pi's ambition is the GCV movement, Global Consensus Value. The community proposes one Pi coin equals $314,159, echoing the mathematical constant Pi. If millions agree and transact at this value, it becomes reality. Unlike volatile markets, GCV aims for stability from day one. The goal isn't quick profit, but a currency for daily life, groceries, services, even cars, at a stable, agreed price. For many, GCV is a hedge against inflation and a vision of a currency controlled by its users. Achieving this takes coordination and belief, but the movement is building directories, organizing fairs, and educating the public. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The dream, a robust, people-powered economy. Using Pi for real-world purchases is no longer just a dream. In China, a car dealership sold vehicles for Pi at the GCV price. One pioneer bought a car for just 0.2 Pi. In Vietnam, a coffee shop accepts Pi for breakfast. In South Korea, beauty clinics take Pi for partial payments. Thailand hosts shopping events where Pi is the only currency. Even in the US, some businesses are starting to accept Pi. These stories prove Pi's practical utility, from cars to coffee. Small transactions build trust and show Pi is more than a digital collectible. For Indian pioneers, these are proof of concept. Each transaction is a beacon of hope, showing the network is growing stronger. The global adoption inspires and validates the movement in India. Real people, real transactions. Pi is becoming a true currency. The dream is already taking shape. Building a new global currency isn't easy. Regulatory uncertainty is a major hurdle. Governments are still figuring out how to handle cryptocurrencies. In some countries, officials warn about Pi's self-assigned value and lack of official backing. The official Pi token isn't tradable on major exchanges yet, causing confusion over its real value. GCV advocates a high value, while some businesses use lower rates, and IOU markets show yet another price. The biggest challenge is maintaining faith and momentum during the long enclosed mainnet period. Some grow impatient, but the movement urges patience and focus on building a stable, utility-based economy. Overcoming doubt requires resilience and a shared long-term vision. Despite challenges, the Pi community in India remains strong and united. Skepticism only strengthens their resolve. Pioneers aren't just mining, they're building the ecosystem, educating new members, and organizing barter events. For many, Pi means financial inclusion, a chance for anyone with a smartphone to join the global economy. This mission fuels their perseverance through delays and uncertainty. They openly discuss risks but focus on potential. Every small victory, a new merchant, a successful barter, reinforces their hope. Positive reinforcement and shared purpose keep the community patient and loyal. Their belief is a powerful force for change. Together, they're shaping a new financial future. Leadership has been vital for the GCV movement's success. Doris Yin, founder of the global GCV movement, and Mr. Li Xiao, head of the Hunan Pi Network Merchants Association, are key figures. Doris Yin's verification of car sales in China gave the movement credibility. Mr. Li Xiao organizes merchants, bridging pioneers and businesses. Their leadership provides a blueprint for India's movement. They show that organized efforts can bring major businesses on board. Indian pioneers look to them as examples, working to empower local leaders. Doris Yin and Mr. Li Xiao symbolize what dedicated leadership can achieve. Their actions inspire a new digital frontier. The 31st National Pioneer Celebration is a milestone of maturity and persistence. It proves the movement isn't a fad, it's a sustained, growing force. Physical gatherings turn online connections into real friendships and strategies. The celebration boosts morale and showcases progress. Merchants accepting Pi are honored, and successful transactions are highlighted. It's grassroots marketing, showing Pi's real-world application. The event inspires new members and strengthens community bonds. It's a symbol of defiance against doubt and criticism. The celebration embodies proactive spirit and belief in the vision. The movement is now a formidable force for change in India. As the celebration ends, the GCV movement in India looks ahead with unity and purpose. The focus is on building a real economy, expanding the merchant network, and educating the community. Outreach to businesses is key, offering them access to a loyal customer base and a role in a financial revolution. Education fights misinformation and sets realistic expectations. Leaders emphasize patience and the long-term vision over quick profits. A knowledgeable pioneer is an empowered pioneer. The future is about human connection and shared belief. The 31st celebration is just the beginning of the next wave of growth. Together, Indian pioneers are building a legacy of hope and empowerment for generations to come.